Hello Windows Universe! In this video we will offer a few fixes you can try if you receive the KMODE exception not handled error on Windows 10. We will link an informative article in the description down below that will go much more into depth. In the article we link to a Microsoft blue screen troubleshooting screen. Go to it. There is a simple wizard that will walk you through the process of troubleshooting blue screens. After that, let's run the system file checker. Open a command prompt. As an administrator, and type in sfc /scan now, all one word, and hit enter. The process will take a few minutes, so be patient. After that, restart your system and see if the problem has fixed itself. Updating device drivers is a good next step. So let's go to the device manager and update your drivers. An out-of-date driver might be causing the problem. Restart and see if the problem is fixed. The next thing we can try is disabling the fast startup. Search for power settings. Go to additional power settings. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box that says turn on fast startup. Restart the computer and see if this has corrected the problem. For more fixes to make your Windows 10 experience better, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Hey, if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We are always uploading new content to make your digital universe just a little bit better. Thanks for watching and have a great day.